Keep pushing. Claire, almost there. Stay focused. Breathe. The ice is thick down there, but the shelves look unstable. Better not risk it today. Find shelter before this hits hard. Keep moving. Search the tree line. There. First it's fine. The wind shifts. I need solid ground. This spot will work. Finally. This is it. Safe from the wind. All clear, no dead branches.
Słuchaj, tam jest firma, a mi nie wiecie, to jest tesarari dobrze. A to my fazla supreme, na desa, my nie mamy na pri.
So my name caution into now, that anyone on us for trot dash in order to aiming down the spec in the killer in the like amount tip it's canela shaft.
Так, где ще казна кого-то срещу тормозом от ласвори можете. Прошу, ало ми ще рятуємо щось на свок, я на ній род.
I have to clear this before I can't feel my hands. It's getting too cold. Almost there. Just need to finish packing this down. That's better. Time for the pine branches. Time to clear this rock. Need a clear base here. Heavy one. Keep it together, Ethan. Get this up. Heavy. Gotta move. Hold fast. That should do it. This snow needs to go right here. Got to seal the edges. Pack it tight. Keep the drafts out. All right. Just enough air in, snow out. All right, time to secure the warmth. All right, that should hold. Thank God.
The blizzard was closing in fast. If I didn't find dry fuel soon, we wouldn't make it through the night.
Dry. Perfect. God, it's cold. Oh. Just need to get this base solid. right, these ought to last through the night.
Ah, that hits the spot. Nothing like it.
The canvas is holding. Just hold. I don't know if it can take another one like that.
I have to save it. It's the only warmth we have left. Don't die, don't die.